welcome back to my channel. Man, y'all know with my work schedule that I'm trying to do at least one video a week, but hopefully over the next couple of months I get things settled and maybe I can get a filming schedule up for you guys. But today I'm going to be doing a fall look with my Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. Now this has been one of my favorite palettes all summer. I've used it, and since we moved into fall, I haven't used it that much, but I want to do a fall tutorial with it. I did skip out on the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson conspiracy collection just because that palette just didn't speak to me, so I won't be reviewing that. But I am going to use an oldie but a goodie palette that, you know, some of us have. A lot of people have this palette because it was price point at $65. So if you're looking for a good purchase for your VIB Rouge sale from Sephora, I would definitely purchase this $65 Natasha Denona, because this has the same great formula as the Metropolis and some. I don't think it has like the cream shades. I think it has some. I don't think it have every formula that the Metropolis palette has, but it's definitely good pigmentation, typical Natasha Denona, and I've loved this palette all summer long. It's been one of my favorite palettes this year, and so I wanted to break it out, do another fall look with it. I wish I could have. I took this on my cruise. I wish I could have. If I had my YouTube channel when I went on a cruise, I guess I could have filmed that look I did. It was more of a sunrise or a sunset type of look. But enough chit chatting. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, just so y'all know, I'm not gonna talk through this. I'm gonna probably add music and do voiceovers because I really want to do a great look. So I'm just gonna focus on the eyeshadow. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, I am back with the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this palette. It may be my favorite palette of the year, honestly, because it's like you can use it spring, summer, fall, winter, whenever. You could also use it as an everyday palette if you just want to stick to these colors over here. I just think the color story of this palette is amazing, and it blends like a dream. And if you have not tried Natasha Denona and you want to try her, I recommend that you start with this palette because it's amazing. Like, I love it. If you're interested in this lippy color, it's the Bite Beauty the holiday lip collection, lippy collection they came out with last year, the mini lippy, and it's in the shade Iron, which was the deepest shade in the little set. I have not purchased the set from this year because I think, I think I'm gonna film my lippy collection next. But thank you guys so much for joining me. Remember to follow me on my Instagram, and where I'm going to be coming up with an announcement soon. I don't know how soon I'm going to announce this, but we're going to be doing something special soon. So I'm going to let you guys know later. All right, bye.